This is a brand new 2013 Honda CR-V. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, a multi-link rear suspension, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: alloy wheels, roof rails, cruise control, latch-ready child seat anchors, a power driver's seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a rear window defroster, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, a remote entry system, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. With an EPA estimated rating of 30 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency does not take a back seat. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.